Pizza. Let's get it.
First, you want to kill all the bacteria in your clear juice. Then you want to go ahead and add some sugar and then add bacteria. Mix the lardo. Next, you want to add about 4 CUP worth of flour. That looks about right. When it looks like this, your clear juice is infected. Add some salt and then spread the infection to your flour. To make sure the flour is properly contaminated, knead a lardo. He's looking kind of thirsty, so I'm going to moisturize him. Go ahead and fold it. I don't have much hair, so I'm just going to use this to cover it. Perfect.
Rest overnight.
To make the best pizza sauce, it all starts with tomato soup. Once you have your tomato soup, just go ahead and lace it with flour. This process is pretty easy. You pour it in a bowl, you add flour, and you mix a lardo. Some fresh dried herbs, season the countertop. This is Tony, he cooks pizza. Get it, Tony. Go ahead and flatten out your dough. I like mine a 1/4 tread thick. You get it? Tread, tire, never mind. Sauce, make it rain. Some bacon, some more bacon, beef. Some vegetables, make it rain. Transfer lardo. Brush the bread with some bacon sweat. Looking good, Tony. Multiply your pizza with the pizza guillotine. Hey, Olive, you want some?
Taste test.
So I had a lot of pizza and leftovers, so I just decided to make a pizza buffet.